Hello everyone. I got a question asking about how do I know or check where my grade is. This is one of the workshop that I facilitate, that I'm able to log in as a participant, like you see here. You're going to look on the left hand corner under grades, check the grades. So the first one is the weighted, the new online, the weighted. This is the essential part, that would be your grade, and you're going to look at the percentage. So how do you know if your grade was accepted? This is mine, and of course I didn't submit anything since I was a facilitator for this course. But under percentage, you're going to see 100% if you have submitted everything. So this workshop, there is the initial post and to reply. That's why it's from 0 to 3. In some other courses, it's 2. As long as you see right here under the percentage, 100%, it means you've got all the points you need. So this is an example of one of the participants. I was trying to see if I can hide the names. Notice that under the calculated weight, so this one is 37.5% of the overall grade, but the person got 3. The range is from 0 to 3, and that's what I mean is 100%. So as long as you see, so there are 3 assignments, 100%, 100%, 100%, and that person no longer needs anything. So if it's not acceptable, then you're going to see 0 in here, for example, and you will be getting an email from me if you need to revise your post. So this is again from a previous course that I taught. So this is the person gotten 1, and notice 1 out of 1. However, if you got 0, then my comment would tell you that you need to revise. And also, if you need to revise, you would get a personal email from me telling you what I need from you to do. It's not going to be in my reply to you that this is not acceptable. So you will notice the 0. Nobody else sees that but you. But you will see the 0, and then you will receive an email from me on what it is that needs to be revised. If you don't hear from me in an email and you see 1 out of 1 on your original post, it means it was accepted.